Do your construction plans show what you're actually building or just what you hope to build? In this video, we're talking about construction plans, stamped drawings, and why the final set of plans should be completed before the construction loan moves forward. This is AES Construction Intelligence. Construction plans are the vital roadmap for the project. They show what is supposed to be built, how the structure is laid out, how the different parts of the project are intended to come together. But here's the important part. Not all plans are the same. A sketch, a design idea, or a preliminary drawing may help start the conversation, but that's not the same thing as a final stamped set of plans. A final stamped set of plans means the drawings have been completed, reviewed, and stamped by the appropriate licensed design professional. An architect is typically involved in the design, layout, functionality, and overall coordination of the building plans. An engineer is typically involved in the structural components of the project, including foundation details, framing requirements, load paths, and other technical items that may need to be verified for safety and code compliance. When a plan set is stamped, that stamp shows that a licensed professional has reviewed and taken responsibility for the portion of the work covered by that stamp. And that matters because the budget should be based on the final plans. The contract should be based on the final plans. The permit should be based on the final plans, and the construction loan should be based on the final plans. If the plans are still changing, the project is still changing. The scope can change. The price can change. The permit requirements can change. And the appraised value may be based on a version of the project that is not actually what gets built. That's why an appraisal should not be ordered until the final construction plans are complete. If the appraiser is working from unfinished or outdated plans, the lender may be making decisions based on incomplete information before the project ever starts. At AES, we look at final plans as one of the core documents that helps turn a construction idea into an actionable construction file. The goal is simple. Define the project clearly before the loan closes, before the appraisal is ordered, before the permit is issued, and before money starts moving. Because once construction begins, vague information does not stay vague. It turns into change orders, delays, arguments, and phone calls nobody wants to answer. This is AES Construction Intelligence. See you next time.